Hello and welcome to my first ever terrarium build. I am Sean and today I'm going to be building inside of this cool little jar here. Got a cork top on it, that way it seals in the moisture. This is the first video on my channel, like I said, and I'm actually really excited because this kind of coincides with my girlfriend and I's 6-month anniversary. So this is actually going to be a gift for her. In honor of that, the main plant in here is going to be the heart-shaped fern because I thought it was delightfully cheesy and I think she'll really like it. I have a bunch of other plants. I'll get some shots of that in a second. I also prepped some just random leaves and whatever other little things I got from around my neighborhood, little pine cones and other things I thought would make it look like a more natural setup. I really like making it look like a little plug of nature. Also found some nice bark from some felled trees on a nature walk I did, and some twigs and things that I thought might look good. Also went out and bought a small amount of dried mosses and stuff like that, just to add a little extra texture into my build here. Also prepped some soil. This is a mixture of sand, moss, sphagnum moss to be exact, orchid bark, so that's the bigger chunks in here, and then just regular potting soil, and kind of mixed it all together. Got it damp so it was a little easier to mix. And then I also added a little bit of charcoal into this. That way I didn't have to make a dedicated charcoal layer. It just kind of has charcoal built into it to help with filtering and all that kind of stuff. Also prepped a little bit of pea gravel I bought at Home Depot. They have like 50-pound bags for like $5. I do recommend washing it. That's why it's wet here. I did rinse it off. It kind of is a little chalky and can kind of look bad when there's actually water in your terrarium. So it's a good idea to wash that off. It just makes it kind of look nicer, you know? So I'm going to go ahead and just build in the terrarium now. I'm not going to really talk and explain what I'm doing. If you guys have any comments and questions on what I'm doing, I will answer them. I'm really good about answering comments. I have a couple of the YouTube channels and I just love talking with you guys. So feel free to ask questions and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right, so there you have it. My first ever terrarium built into a jar. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. Obviously didn't use a whole lot of my hardscaping and other stuff I prepped, but that just means I have stuff for next time. But yeah, overall, I really like how it turned out. It might be a little bit crowded. I might have put a little too much in there. But we'll see. We'll check on it in the next upcoming months and see how it looks. But yeah, I really like it. Hopefully Frances really likes it because ultimately it is for her. I'm going to be cleaning up a lot of junk here. I made quite a mess. So while I'm doing that, you might as well go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm going to be trying to make videos like this at least once a month. And I'll be making videos with Frances in the future. So it should be fun. I'm actually really excited to see what I do on this channel. So if you want to see more from me, like I said, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.